How to use Raydium Swap, Raydium Solana DEX. So before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, either you can use Phantom Wallet to access Raydium, or you can simply search for Raydium Swap on any browser that you are using, and you just need to make sure to go for their official website. Click on agree and continue, and then you need to click on connect wallet. Now this is going to give you so many options like Phantom Wallet, Taurus, Wallet Connect. You can also sign in with your Google or your Apple. So in my case, I will simply go for sign in with Apple, or you can go with Phantom Wallet, as most people use Phantom Wallet to access these applications. But let's go for Apple as an example. Now once you are in, click on set password and set your password, and click on create wallet. Now once you have created your wallet, you will land on this particular page. You have swap option, you have liquidity option, you have your portfolio, and you have more options on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now first of all, as for the swap, this is where you can generally swap your coins. You can go with like meme coins. If you want to purchase with your Solana, you can search for any meme coin that you want to purchase, just like so. Click on it, and then you can simply click on the amount that you want to purchase, and you need to simply set your slippage settings. Now if you don't know what is slippage settings, so slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of an order and the actual executed price. So you need to adjust the settings accordingly, and then you need to enter the amount and proceed further, and you will gonna receive into your particular wallet that you have created. As for the liquidity, so in the context of Raydium, liquidity plays a crucial role in their swap functionality. So you have your liquidity pools, you have your swap features, and you have best price execution. So Raydium enables the creation of liquidity pools in a decentralized manner. These pools consist of pair tokens like Solana and USDC. You can simply search for it and click on deposit as well. And you need to make sure to select all these settings accordingly and enter the amount that you want to purchase, and you're good to go. As for the price execution, Raydium determines the best route among all the pools to provide optimal price for users. This ensures efficient swap and better trading experience. As I said, you can also access this in the Phantom wallet at the same time. So that's the overview of how you can use Raydium Swap.